Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of sale approval type in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This app allows user to define custom sale types, set approval rules, and manage sale sequence efficiently. Configure approval method based on level or amount and implement multi-level approval where approver can approve or reject quotation in a structured workflow. Ideal for businesses requiring controlled sale processes. This module improves accuracy, ensure compliance, and streamline approvals. First of all, we will go into our sale module. Under configuration, we will find a menu named sale type. Click on that menu and here you can create your different sale types. I have created two different sale types named domestic sale and export sale. I have given sequence domestic sale sequence to the domestic sale. And also you can add the company if you want. Make sure to enable the toggle button. In export sale, I have given sequence as export sale sequence. Here you can see the name and the prefix of the sale type sequence. You can add your branch or company if you want and enable the toggle button. Now again under configuration, you will find another menu named sale approval. Here we will create a new sale approval. We will select a sale type. I am selecting domestic sale. You can see the name is automatically updated. Now we will select our warehouse and here we have two different approval methods. First is levels and second is amount. Here I am creating approval method for levels. I am going to add my user and I am going to give them a role. First I am selecting Michelle admin and I am giving them a role of admin. You can select the boolean of whatever label you are giving to that user. For second label, I am adding two different users as you can add as many as users you want. I am giving role as manager to them and I am enabling the boolean for second level. Now after saving it, you can see a domestic sale approval is created. Now we will go into the quotation and we will create a new sale order. Here add a customer, select your sale type as domestic sale and after that add your products. Here I am adding cable management box and also acoustic block. After confirming it, here you can see the total price. Now save it. Here you can see the reference serial number for the sale order. Now here we can see a approval tab. When you go into there, you can see the users and their role and their approvals. From here you can see that on which level this sale order is approved. Now as for the first approval, I will approve from Michelle admin and here you can see the approved date and time is updated here and also a approved boolean is enabled. For the second level approval, we will log in from the mark demo. Here I am logging in from the mark demo. We will open the sales module. Under orders, we will find a menu for waiting for approval. Open that menu and here you can see all the approvals waiting for you. Here we can see that RFQ and in the approval we can see that for level 2 you have to update or approve from mark demo. After clicking on approve, you can see that the state will be in sale order and also the serial is from DOM. Here when you refresh it, you can see the sale order is confirmed and the sale order number is of DOM as we have selected domestic sale for our sale type. Now again I will create a new sale order. I am adding a customer, I am adding a product and don't forget to add your sale type as domestic sale. Now if you try to confirm it, it will give you a validation error. And here you can see the RFQ number. Here in approval, you can see the first user to approve this is Michelle admin. So instead of approving, I am going to reject this sale order. If you click on reject, you need to add a rejection reason in the wizard. Here I am adding a reason, order not valid and I am clicking on reject. Here you can see the RFQ is in cancel state, and also you can see in the remarks that why the sale order is rejected. So just like that, you can use the reject functionality. Now again under configuration, we will go into the sale approval and we will create a new sale approval. Here I will select a sale type as export sale. Here you can see the name is automatically updated. Now I am selecting my warehouse. After that, this time I am going to select my approval method as amount. So for this, you need to add a approval level. Here you can see 5 different types of approval level. I'm going to select the first one, and you need to add the user for your level 1 approver. Now add a minimum amount. I am adding 100, and for the maximum amount I am adding 500. So if I create a sale order for in between 100 to 500 amount, the approval will be one level approval, and only Michelle admin can approve that sale order. Here I am creating a level of approval of second, and I am giving from amount 501 to 1000, and I have added the level 1 and level 2 user approver. Here I will select third level approval, and I will be selecting Michelle admin, Mark demo, and again Michelle admin for the 1, 2 and 3 level user. Here I will be adding my amount from 1001 and to 2000. Now you can also add the 4 level and 5 level approval in here and add your users. So here we can see 3 level approval users. Now again I will create a new RFQ. I will select a customer and I will select my sale type. Here I am selecting export sale. Now I will go and add products. Here I am adding acoustic blocks. I am updating my quantity to 5, and here you can see the total value is 1475, which is between 1000 to 2000. Here under the approval tab, you can see that 3 level approval is updated in here, and you can see the user who need to approve on which level, and also from amount to amount. Now you can see the state also is in waiting for approval. Now I am clicking on approve button as Michelle admin is the first one to approve. When I click on the approve button, you can see automatically approve date and time is updated in the approval tab. Now as you can see, the level 2 approval is Mark demo. So if I try to approve from Michelle admin, it will throw me an invalid operation. So again we will go into the Mark demo, and again in waiting for approval, you can see the RFQ which is waiting for Mark demo to approve. Here you can see under approval tab that second level approver is Mark demo. So we will approve from Mark demo, and we can also see that the approved date and time is updated after level 2 user. Now for the third level user, again Michelle admin needs to approve this RFQ. So from Michelle admin, first of all refresh the page. In approval tab, you can see the 2 level approval is already done, and when you click on the approve, you can see that the sale order is in sale order stage, and also your serial number is EXP 0008 as we have selected our sale type as export sale. Now again we will create a new quotation. We will add our customer. For the sale type, we will select sale export sale, and we will add a product whichever we want. So instead of acoustic block, I am going to select cable management box. Here you can see the price of the cable management box, and with tax it will be 138. Now in the approval, we can see the 1 level approval is updated as the amount is between 100 to 500. Now here we can see a reject button. If you click on that reject button, you need to add the reason for the rejection. Here I am adding the reason as order is very small. and now I will click on the reject button, and here you can see in the remarks the remark or the rejection reason for this sale order, and also this sale order will be in cancelled state. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.